My name is Winnie Ikatwa, the CEO and founder of Ipepe Online Supermarket. Ipepe is an online supermarket that enables one to send or receive shopping from anywhere across the world to Kenya. That means one is able to send shopping from abroad to Kenya, and one can receive shopping across the country. Ipepe was founded in the year 2013 with the aim of solving the problem of at times sending money to your people and the money is not used the right way. So you can send it as shopping. So it's easing how you connect with your families. You can send shopping. So far, we've achieved a lot. We've been able to help Kenyans that live in diaspora to send shopping to their parents and support them seamlessly. They are able to just get from on our website and do shopping like they are in the supermarket in Kenya and send it as shopping. In that way, then, is they are able to know that the items they send to their parents or to people they're sending to are used in the right way. Because money, when they send money, at times they don't know if it is used the right way. And that's the best way to be able to support your family. Ipepe was founded in 2013. And it was founded on the basis of being able to solve supermarket queues. One does not have to get to the supermarket to do shopping. We realized that the act of shopping can be done without necessarily having to move from one place to another. In that way, then you're in control of your time. You can be at home and do your shopping, and shopping is delivered. You can be living in America and shop for your parents here in Kenya. You can be in Nairobi and shop for your parents in Kisumu, and shopping is delivered within 3 hours of the same day. Yes, we've faced challenges. When we started out in 2013, internet was very expensive. That is one of the challenges that we really faced, because then most people were not able to go online. But again, because at that point, our main target was the Kenyans living in the diaspora. Those that live in the diaspora were able to get online and be able to do shopping. And on the beauty of having a phone also helped us, because then when they send shopping, all we needed to do was send an SMS to the recipient with the details that they have been shopped for. The other challenge that we faced a lot was payment. The fact that most Kenyans that live in the diaspora were using card and they didn't have any access to any other way to pay. That challenged us a lot, because then with card payment, there's times fraud, there are a lot of con people out there, people are not sure. And also integration was an expensive thing to do. But thankfully then, now with M-Pesa being available everywhere, then people shopping on Ipepe can be able to pay seamlessly. We also face challenges in terms of locations, because with online shopping and deliveries, then you need to have locations set out very well. But then we've been able to overcome that. Even these days, motorbikes are everywhere. You can easily be directed with a motorbike and the phone. With the phone, you can call a person and they tell you where they are. So that has been solved, and we no longer feel that is a challenge for us. But there's still room for improvement. We have also been very successful in many ways, being able to deliver shopping as Ipepe in areas that we probably did not even think we can be able to go to back in the village. Someone shopping from US, shopping from Germany, shopping from UK, and for us delivering shopping in the interior, then for us that is a success, and we've been able to achieve same-day delivery. Doesn't matter where someone is, as long as they order their shopping and pay for it, we are able to deliver on the same day. Our eye moments, as in the times that, as Ipepe, we experienced, we've experienced many eye moments, but one of them is when one of our customers placed an order for a cake to celebrate the mother's 70th birthday, and the cake was going to Gunja. That is interior, because the cake was coming from Nairobi. Because for what we do with shopping is that shopping is done from within the area where it's being delivered, within that town. but the cake was being done in Nairobi and being delivered in Ugunja, and we successfully did it. For us, that made us feel that then there's nowhere we can't reach. There's no place that is not reachable. And one of the things when we interact with our customers, those Kenyans that live in the diaspora, most of them will ask us, are you going to, it is deep in the village, are you going to get there? And for sure we know, if your parents live there, we can get there. If your parents, the fact that your parents live there is that someone can be able to access that place and you can get there. And so the tougher the challenge, the deeper the village it is, the more, as in, we get excited to know that we can get to even the deep villages. And for us, delivering shopping to parents, we connect, we feel like it's a connection between the person that is in the diaspora and the parents, because we also pass messages when we go to deliver shopping to the parents. We even get messages back to the person in the diaspora. We do videos, and we make it as personal as possible and as seamless as possible. That is what differentiates us from just any other delivery service. We just don't deliver shopping and dump it there, but we make it personal to make that person that was being delivered to shopping, for not just items that are being delivered, but also delivering love. The future for ePrepare is to be able to help our customers who shop on ePrepare to make an informed decision. This has been informed by the fact that Kenyans that move in the diaspora, who moved even not long time ago, some of the items, some of the products that they left are not the same products that are here. Some of them have been improved, some of them are being prepackaged, and it also, they want to know which product is good to choose. And so in that, we're going to reviewing products. At this time, we'll be working with the brands to be able to review products to help the customers make an informed decision when buying a product. So they're not just relying on advertisement, so that they'll be relying on really the actual, what the product is able to help them solve as they shop for their parents. Because most of them are shopping for their parents, some of them are shopping for their own, but a bulk of the people that shop are shopping for their parents, so they want to make an informed decision. For anyone that would want to know more about online shopping, most people have not ventured into online shopping, but online shopping is the best place to be, because you can be able to go through a product and browse the product, even without shopping or leaving your home. From the comfort of your home, you can like walk into a supermarket literally and look at the products, review the products, and make an informed decision. Even by the time probably you're going to the supermarket, you've already been able to see the product. But also the fact that you can be able to shop at the comfort, without any pressure. You can add a product in the shopping cart, you can remove it without feeling any pressure. You can pay for your shopping without necessarily getting coins as change. It's the comfort of your home, and shopping will be delivered. You don't need to really use fuel to go to shop. And there's not every product that is online that is fake. They're the same products that are in the supermarket. They're the same products that are being sold, but now they're being sold online. But it just offers a place that you can be able to shop comfortably. For anyone that would want to start an online business, my advice is that they do their research well, invest time. Time is key, because you have to know who are you serving, what is their need, you have to identify a market, what is that problem that you're solving, and seek to address your customer, seek to know them, seek almost like to speak to them, so that you can know their pain points and be able to solve them. There's a lot online on the positive side that one is able to do. There's much to give people, there's reviewing of products, there's that selling of the products, there's just a lot that one can do online, and we would want to offer as ourselves to be able to mentor the people that would want to start their businesses online. We'd like to thank our customers for believing in us. It's not easy as a business startup or just having a business, and for people to believe in you. They haven't met you, they haven't interacted with you, but we thank you for believing in us. And we believe that even as we continue moving forward, We will support you, we'll support us, so we can build even a better brand to be able to serve you more. To be able to do your shopping online, you can find us on our website, www.eprepare.com. We're also on Facebook. Our Facebook page is ePrepare Online Supermarket. We have a YouTube channel, ePrepare Online Supermarket. Find us on Twitter at ePrepare, on Instagram at ePrepare. As in, we are everywhere, I would say so.